Get a grip with Lock and Pop. For any business that has to ship their product, there exists serious economic, customer satisfaction, and environmental issues in regard to common palletizing procedures. Over $1 billion a year is being lost due to shipping damage. Damaged goods and their associated delivery delays have a major negative impact on customer satisfaction. The cost of stretch wrap material, applicators, and the associated labor are increasing. Lastly, serious environmental issues regarding stretch wrap disposal and concerns about stretch wrap production are on the increase. So what's the solution? Lock and Pop. Lock and Pop allows companies to reduce or eliminate their use of stretch wrap and increase their pallet load stability during shipping. If your company is using stretch wrap or hot melt to secure your palletized boxes, Lock and Pop has a better solution for you. Stronger than stretch wrap and safer than hot melt, Lock and Pop is a cost-effective, environmentally friendly adhesive that works either by itself or in conjunction with stretch wrap. Using compact, inexpensive, and virtually maintenance-free equipment, Lock and Pop locks each box to another, holding your pallets and packages together from the inside out, yet allowing packages to easily pop apart by simply lifting. Its sheer strength keeps packages from shifting side to side, virtually eliminating intermodal shipping damage. With 5 formulas designed specifically for boxes, bags, and frozen packages, it works on most surface types, and it leaves no visible or sticky residue and does not tear your packaging. It works like magic. While Lock and Pop is protecting your shipments, it's also protecting our environment. Lock and Pop is environmentally friendly, takes less energy to produce, and there's no plastic waste requiring disposal. Did you know that 10,000 pallets unitized with stretch wrap results in over 14,000 net pounds of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere, 176 net cubic feet of solid waste, and the consumption of 28.6 barrels of oil? In contrast, Lock and Pop is a water-based organic adhesive that is non-toxic, repulpable, biodegradable, and contains only FDA-approved ingredients. Put an end to falling boxes and falling profits. We can help you eliminate the extra hours, lost profits, and employee injuries that result from falling boxes and shipping damage. No matter how large or small your business, no matter the type of cartons that you use, we have the right formulas and equipment for every type and size of operation. Companies such as Boise Cascade, Chevron, Hershey's, Coors, Kraft Foods, Coca-Cola, Nabisco, Champion International, Tropicana, and Whirlpool have unitized over 200 million pallets with Lock and Pop and discovered for themselves the significant economic and environmental benefits.